Hello, Chris Travis, Koenig Bauer. Welcome 360 World to our brand new digital print center, where we want to introduce you to our brand new VariJET 106. The VariJET 106 is a sheet-fed digital B1 medium format 41-inch digital sheet-fed press. Yes, a digital sheet-fed press. We encourage you to come to our brand new digital print center where we can test and demonstrate your files on the VariJET 106. So let me take this moment to walk you through the machine. We start with our repeater feeder. Proven technology from all of our repeater presses. It's exactly the same feeder. We then go into our in-feed system. We use our SIS technology, our sensoric in-feed system, proven world-renowned system for our in-feed register. We then go into our first unit. And in this particular configuration, the first unit is our priming station. We use an analógicos roller to apply the water-based primer. The water-based primer then needs drying. So then we go into our proven drying technology, our very dry brew technology, that will remove the water from that primer. At that point, the primer is now prepared for the next step. We take the sheet from the gripper system and we transfer it using SIS technology onto our belt. It's a vacuum belt. This vacuum belt is now supporting the sheet perfectly in preparation for our digital printing unit. Inside the digital printing unit, we have an array of 7 heads, printing at 1200 by 1200 DPI. The ink is then applied to the sheet that is perfectly flat with this vacuum belt. Once the ink is then applied, we now need to remove the water from the water-based ink. Yes, it's a water-based Inkjet set, 7 color. Now with this next set of section drying, we remove the water from that ink base. Then we need to climatize that sheet. The sheet is now hot. We will then use cool air to bring that temperature down of the sheet before we then go back into our gripper system. We use our streaming station here and then we go back into another SIS registration, and now we're back into the grip. And now we have multiple of options of how we configure the press for you, specifically for folding carton. On this particular press, we have one coater that could apply an AQ coating or even a UV coating. We have multiple configuration options because we know in folding carton that you may want a double coater. Of course, that's no problem. We then go into our final drying section where we're able to dry the UV or the AQ coating or matte coating. Then we finish at our operator's office. Here is where the operator can inspect the sheets, evaluate the sheets, control the press. This monitor here is for all of the data collected from our DFE, and everything can be controlled from here. So that is our new sheet-fed digital press. We encourage you to come to our digital print center to come and test. We're excited to show you all about it, and you can see how great the print quality is coming off this VariJET 106. Because at Koenig Bauer, we're on it.